Hey there, homeowners. If you're looking to up your garage game, installing a full-view overhead garage door is a game changer. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to install and operate your new door like a pro. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need door tracks, the door itself, and an automatic door opener. Don't forget the basic tools like a drill, screwdrivers, and, of course, safety glasses. Safety first, folks. Always wear your safety glasses, use your ladder safely, and work with a partner. Two heads are better than one, right? All right, let's get started with setting up the door tracks. Make sure you have your instructions handy. Start by securing the tracks to the garage walls. It's crucial to keep them level, so grab a spirit level to make sure everything's straight. If the tracks aren't aligned, your door won't operate smoothly. Next up is installing the door. This part can be a bit tricky, so stay focused. Begin by attaching the hinges and rollers to each door panel, then, starting with the bottom panel, place it in the tracks. Gradually add the remaining panels, making sure they're all aligned and secured. Now for the automatic door opener. Mount the opener to the ceiling, following the manufacturer's instructions closely. Connect the opener to the door using the provided brackets and hardware. Double-check all connections and plug it in. Voila, you're almost there. Before you start using your new door, it's time to test it. Manually lift the door to ensure it moves smoothly along the tracks. If it does, great. If not, check for misalignments or obstructions. Once everything looks good, use the opener to test the automatic function. Make sure the door opens and closes properly without any hitches. Now let's talk tips for operating your overhead garage door. Always keep the tracks clean and free of debris. Regularly inspect the door and opener for wear and tear. And finally, don't forget to lubricate the moving parts every few months. A little maintenance goes a long way. So why go through all this effort? Well, installing an overhead garage door has some fantastic benefits. It boosts your home's curb appeal, improves security, and adds a whole lot of convenience to your daily life. Plus, who doesn't love the sleek modern look of a full-view door? And there you have it. With these steps and tips, you're all set to install and operate your overhead garage door like a pro. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more handy homeowner tips. Catch you next time.